So this is a panel cabinet. I know the welds look like shit. They're not meant to look good. But I'm basically connecting these corners. And I'm gonna show you guys what it's supposed to look like after it's grinded down, polished. What a corner should look like for the field. All right. That's kind of what it looks like before it's rounded. And what you want to do with the grinder is, instead of just rounding like this, I like to just take it like that. Same thing with that, you go down. You just kind of go around it. And I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. What I was saying, don't round it. Just come this way. Start down here, slowly make your way up. Same thing going down. And that's what it'll look like. So that's just with an Avos pad. Later on, I'll use a buffer and then I'll round it off. And I'll show you how this is supposed to look finished. Okay, so you use this Avos pad. And this is the end result. So all I did was I start up here and then I grind down. So see how the corner to corner? That's what employers want to see. A lot of people don't take time to make that detail, but I'll tell you that I've gotten 2 raises because of this. So that's how you do a corner.